Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into Plaid and connecting your accounts quickly and easily. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Open the Plaid integration portal. To begin, navigate to the application or platform that utilizes Plaid for connecting your financial accounts. Look for the Connect Accounts or Link Your Account button and click on it. Step 2. Choose your financial institution. Once you're in the Plaid integration portal, you'll see a list of financial institutions. Type the name of your bank or financial institution in the search bar. Select the correct one from the list that appears. Step 3. Enter your account credentials. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. This usually includes your username and password for online banking. Make sure you're entering the correct information. Step 4. Complete multi-factor authentication if needed. Depending on your bank's security settings, you may need to complete a multi-factor authentication step. This could involve receiving a code via SMS, email, or through an authentication app. Enter the code in the provided field to proceed. Step 5. Grant permissions. After logging in successfully, you may be asked to grant permissions for the application to access your financial data. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow or Grant Access to continue. Step 6. Confirm connection. Once permissions are granted, you'll see a confirmation that your account has been successfully connected. This may take a moment to update, so be patient. Step 7. Review your linked accounts. Finally, check the linked accounts section in the application to ensure that your bank account is listed and all details are correct. This will confirm that everything is set up properly. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide on how to log into Plaid and connect your accounts quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.